What's good, everybody? If you click this video, welcome. If you're new, what's good? This is Pelly Telly. On here we do everything crypto. That's technical analysis, NFT drops, reviews, metaverse plays, like money making opportunities for the metaverse, DeFi, passive income opportunities in DeFi. All that in a bag of chips we got going on right here on this channel. We do everything crypto, okay? If that's something that you're interested in, at least smash the like button and hit subscribe. But if you're not convinced that you want to subscribe yet, in this video right here, as you can see from the screen, we're going to be going over Chainlink. And as of today, right now, Chainlink is up about 1.67% on the day in price action. So, and notice I said price action, right? So this video I will be breaking down the price action of Chainlink and thus giving my prediction of where I see Chainlink going in the future based on price action, and also how you could have possibly entered yourself if you were monitoring the charts during this 1.6% push to the upside. Okay, so that's something that you're interested in. So let's get into the video. Stick around. Let's go. So let's hop on trading view, go on the daily time frame. And what I'm seeing right now is, right, still Chainlink is in a downtrend, right? Lower high, lower low, lower low, right? So possibly what can occur is Chainlink could be getting ready to put it in a new lower high and continue downwards, right? Basically this following what we have here, right? Could be continuing to do something like that, right? But if you can look immediately on the daily candle price action right now, yesterday we closed bearishly, but the candle closed with a bearish body, but the wicks must be noted. Okay, they cannot be forgotten or just put to the backside. Why? Because we can see price rejected to the top and it pushed up to the bottom, which means this is essentially a big doji candle, not your average one. But with today's candle, even though we have two hours left, right now we see price seems to be rejecting off of that level again. So that's something to monitor, right? But we won't be able to give a fair assessment of today's candle until the candle closes. So let's drop to the 4 hour, right? And on the 4 hour, what I'm seeing is some uptrend characteristics, right? Now these uptrend characteristics can mean two things. One, the 4 hour is in a retracement cycle, is now counter trending, and this counter trend is the retracement cycle on the daily, right? And usually from a retracement cycle, it's price pulling back to create that new structure point to continue in the trend direction, right? And remember before I said that this Chainlink right now is in a bearish trend. So if that's the case, what I'm saying is essentially this: if the 4 hour continues to create bullish characteristics and form this counter trend, then we could be pushing to putting that new lower high for the daily. And right now it seems to be that's what's happening, right? That wick on the daily right now is this, but I urge you to pay attention to this right here. It seems like this could possibly, first of all, let me clean this up some. Okay, so it seems like this could possibly form some sort of head and shoulder pattern to the downside if it wanted to. The way you would pay attention to that is if this candle does start to seem to find some resistance, just pay attention around here at the support level. Okay, maybe price would just be retesting support once again. Okay, because if price does this, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to reverse, right? Because price can easily come here, play around, and continue to push up, right? A successful or a valid head and shoulder pattern is only when we have a left shoulder, head, right shoulder come down and breaks the neckline, right? It breaks the neckline. Once that breaks that neckline and gives you some sort of retracement, yes, that is confirmed head and shoulders. But until then, no, right? So right now, yes, that can occur, or we can, if we push. Now an area to look for if we do push from here is initially right here, which is recent resistance, and as you can see from my last video, I draw this here and it did came up to that level, right? So once we want to see now if we're going to retest those highs and break those highs and then push to the next level, which is about here, or if we're going to retest it and fall down some, retest it and maybe fall back down, maybe start to move sideways, push down, or come down and continue down. You feel me? These are all the different things that can occur. And the only way that we can actually assess that will occur is just be patient, wait for price to tell us the way that she wants to go, and make educated moves off of those information that she's telling us, off of the information that price is offering to us. Okay, but since price is in a downtrend, we have to lean more on the side that price probably will eventually fall down heavily, at least one more time before we see price start like to really push up. Since Chainlink is an appreciating asset, and we expect it to catch its feet once again and reach back to creating all-time highs once more. Okay, but I'll tell you this, that bullish push that we had on Monday of this week in February, which was February 7th, that was the first, and we're gonna need a couple more of those to re-jump or kind of jump start the bullish activities again in the market, right? So if you guys enjoyed that video, like I said, smash the like button. It really helps with the algorithm. And subscribe. Like, welcome to the team. Like, we would love to have you. So see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for checking.